funny because really, you cannot avoid trauma. I would be crazy to lie to you and tell you you can avoid trauma. You cannot avoid trauma. Trauma is here to stay. Is if we're able to make a traumatic event or physical trauma, an acute situation that is handled quickly and rapidly. Now, how do you handle it quickly and rapidly? Is be prepared for it. If your body is sleeping well, that you restore and rebuild very quickly. If you have the nutrients that are necessary for the repair quickly, like all the amino acids that are necessary for growth. If you are able to handle the amount of oxidative stress that happens from the repair and clean it up very fast, then you're doing good. If you're having blood flow that is because of vasodilatation and not by new vessels formation, then you're going to do fine. So the truth is, trauma cannot be avoided. You can try, and you should be using your brain to really minimize trauma. If you are working for somebody like me, and I am a trauma for you, you either ignore me as a trauma and see me as giving you advice and taking the advice as if literally for what it is. But don't allow it to penetrate you. Because if it penetrates you, it's not my fault, it's yours. The minute you allow me to penetrate your psyche, you open the door, not me. I can trigger you, but you don't have to respond. You don't respond if you're sleeping well. You will not respond if you're eating properly. You will not respond if you believe in yourself, if you love yourself, if you're true to yourself, if you're accepting yourself with your good, your bad, your ugly. I don't do it to you. You do it to yourself.
Wow.
That's
it's about changing
one way.
Yourself, Dr. Dalal. It's not